8 minus 2 gives us 6, right? And then we have 8 minus 2 that also gives us 6. So multiplied by 6 gives us 36. But this is the wrong answer. But why? Because you fell for a big trap, hook, line, and sinker. And this is the trap of the order of operations. This is the trap that a lot of students, a lot of adults even, they fall for. But let's learn the correct order of operations once for ever. But what is the correct order of operations? So, for God's sake, never be lost, learn PEMDAS. Do I sound like Saul Goodman in Better Call Saul? Anyways, so PEMDAS, P stands for parentheses, E stands for exponents, M stands for multiplication, D stands for what? Division, A stands for addition, and you tell me the final one, S stands for subtraction. And this shows an order of priority. So here we have the highest, and here we have the lowest order of priority. It means that first go for parentheses. If there is any parentheses, you should do this at first. Then go for exponents. Then for multiplication and division, whichever comes at first. Go from left to right. MD or DM does not matter. And the same for addition and subtraction. Go from left to right. So, according to PEMDAS, we should do the parentheses at first. What is inside the parentheses? 8 minus 2 gives us 6. So we can remove the parentheses and replace it with multiplication. Your problem, your mistake was this part. You did the subtraction before the multiplication. But according to PEMDAS, multiplication has a higher priority than subtraction. So we must do this part at first. So 8 minus 2 times 6 gives us 12, right? And 8 minus 12, that's just a subtraction, gives us minus 4. And that's the final answer, the correct answer. So as your homework, what would the answer be if we had this part, if we had the whole parentheses raised to the power of 2? So please subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, like the video, and drop your thoughts and answers in the comments below.